Hello, Mr. Scammer.
How am I a scammer?
So, January 9th, you scammed me 2 elytras. You said you were paying 1 billion for elytra. I sent you 2. You can see it on your stream at 4 hours, 58 minutes, and 10 seconds.
But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be paying $1 billion if you give me an elytra. So yeah. Oh, okay. You know what? You're right. You're totally right.
Yep.
You are totally right. I scammed you fully.
I give you 2 elytras, so if you give me 1 back, we're even.
You know what? Sure.